Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a private client can receive an new appraisal order as a draft. So currently we are on a private client's portal and on the appraisal orders page. Here you can see all the listed appraisal orders. And to create a new appraisal order, we click on this button. So I'm just going to fill this page and then move forward to the next one. Just type in brush and select a due date, have an appraisal order selected for a code, and I'm defining the code and select an appraisal purpose, which is relocation, and just save it as a draft. So once an appraisal order is saved as draft, you can continue editing it by clicking on this specific, and you can continue edit it. You can also, if you feel like this is something you don't want to continue and you want to delete it, you can delete it by clicking on this and it will delete this draft. An appraisal order that has been created and it's submitted, it can't be deleted, it can only be cancelled. So we will have a separate video to do so. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.